The beginning of our autonomous period. JetStream running out to the middle of the field. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, that's NOMAD cleaning up all of the notes right in front of the speaker. NOMAD's going to make a last push to the middle of the field. Don't pluck up the note. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, not a whole lot of activity after that first pull. They move into the tally off the period of our match. 32:55 immediately going to the amp. They're going to start filling up, getting ready for that first amplification period. It looks like Team 8888, the Flying Lions, are lining up for their first speaker shot. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, we have Monarch Robotics passing notes across the field to their partners. NOMAD 6995 cleaning up in the corner over there. It looks like NOMAD has the driver station right in front of the source too, or right in front of the amp, so they're great at picking up those notes. Monarch Robotics completing the pass while NOMAD has activated the amplification period. And that's the end of the amplification period. On the red side of the field, SuperNURDs playing the first note into their amp. They're going to be getting ready to amplify as well. SuperNURDs coming back with another note. Just as NOMAD puts another note into their amp, Iron Codiaks went up to the speaker and make it. Monarch Robotics, they have their strategy and they're continuing to excel at their strategy. Those notes being passed over to their alliance partners. Iron Kodiaks working hard to get those notes into the speaker. On the red side of the field, we're just now beginning our amplification period as SuperNURDs score another note into the amp, or into the speaker. SuperNURDs, Mainland, and JetStream all approaching their source, picking up more notes, returning to their side of the field. They're hoping to get another amplification period or two in before this match ends. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, their strategy has been set since the first moment, and they have not deviated from that plan. They're doing excellent with 78 current points on the board. A little bit of defense between Iron Kodiaks and the Flying Lions. Monarch and JetStream getting in the way, but they're just going to shoot their notes to their alliance partners and keep moving on. JetStream shooting another note in. SuperNURDs trying to get another note before the amplification period ends. They don't quite get it up in time. You heard that buzzer. That means we have 20 seconds left. People are going to get started with their climb sequences. Even players throwing their notes out onto the field. No spotlight so far in this round. On the Red Alliance, it looks like they're deciding to not go for the climb points, and they're going to get those last few points into the amplification period. Speaker, Blue Alliance has